how to use the Snapshot program info on Progressive Insurance. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are providing you a clear explanation on how it works and what it does and how it can help you save on your car insurance. So let's get started. So Snapshot is a usage-based insurance program that lets Progressive adjust your auto insurance premium based on how you actually drive. Instead of any traditional factors, you can earn discounts by demonstrating safe driving habits. And Snapshot chooses either a plug-in device that connects to your vehicle's OBD2 port or the mobile application in most states to collect up the driving data. So you can start by enrolling in Snapshot. For that, you can just go over and enter your zip code and look out for this option called Quote and Sign Up. You can directly visit this site, which is progressive.com/autodiscounts/snapshot. After that, click on Quote and Sign Up and you will be headed towards the next page. And when you are signing up, you can choose up option to OPD into Snapshot. When you get a Progressive auto code or already have a Progressive policy, you can start that process and you will either receive a plug-in device by mail or you can use a mobile application for tracking. So first of all, provide in your first name, your middle name, your last name, your suffix, your date of birth, and your primary email address. After that, click on continue, and once you're enrolled, like after you follow the prompts, the tracking begins and Snapshot starts collecting all of your data, such as how much you drive, your driving behaviors, time of the day you drive, mixed phone users behavior in some states. You can just go and check it out. And drivers with good driving habits can see average savings of around $300 per year by using Snapshot. Most people earn some discount, but the actual savings vary by state, driving patterns, and many other factors. You can use the mobile application as well to make it easier for you. And that is it. Also, participation is voluntary. You can option out often within a set period after enrolling, but doing so may affect the discounts. You can just go and check it out. Snapshot may remain active for each policy term you choose to continue with it. And the program's availability and exact rules can vary by state, so check the details specific to where you live. And that's it, everybody. You can follow this method and use the Snapshot program info on Progressive Insurance. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.